Hello, people. Happy Sunday. Another. Hope people are doing well. Also, now they enjoy. Now, happy Sunday. Now, happy Sunday. Hope everything dey okay. My people. Some of una go don see the video where Abba do. I just want put more than I'll play for Namona listing. Where sent to Obioma Bungbe. Abba, thank you for your message. You know, where Omana tell me like me. You know, get the I'll go say I not like that person rich. If you talk something, where you say that something, it really, it really makes sense. I must tell you, say wow. Even though I don't know what now. God bless you for it. Abba really say something to Obioma Bungbe. Ogaria. She go pick for his side. I hope so. I hope so. He pray. Now me will pick him away. I'll play and then I'll listen. Because about my talk, about not talk lie. She talk again. Any ya not ta na the fuero. Na fi fuero. It's just that. When I know say if you insult me, I not do anything. I know why any. When I talk about person way report my page, instead of if you know how where even wa wo na ma o ma promote wa ya report why we be we nobody on my page no promote wa but the woman do one. Then instead of her to talk down one, she can't go against me. Now that you know why ya we na ni ya lemo. It doesn't matter say if somebody talk something o ma na tell me where any normal die near guanjo. No, I not be that kind of person. My the one where you do me is there from one corner. Then this one where about talk so wow. Now wow. Really, I pray because person if you say well that's what I talk. What you about talking not time my brothers and sisters those things if you listen you go know say yes Abba really talk to Ivie as a sister. There she go or I pick it where I be all the domo and because you know say when you tell Obioma Bungbe say the truth, it go the hot time. Go be like say she no need that may you tell her. It go be like say she no need that. You for not tell me I not send you. If person like you, it go tell you say this thing way they do not good. If I not like you, even though I know you come where get your summit for a dark bone when on you know what it concern me. If person maybe we not like a where maybe you with and don't do something or you know now sometimes if you talk to a person say I be need advice we go give you small advice. That's more advice where you think again now go advice your mom and now this person next to talk to me you know you go they like say me you talk to that person because of what they go on. If this will be your Bungbe, I don't know what they do. If you like, you come out, come insult me. I not go reply you. No, say that time when you feel evil insult in your head, I not reply you. You understand? I not reply. Because person like you, me, I not they reply them. Even that one where still there, Germany, where see put my matter for head. You see, I not reply. Why? He may select. I dey select person where I go reply. If you like, this one about no insult you. If you like, say you insult you. But as for me, person wey get brain for now list you now know say he no insult you for this audio, this video where I about do. But one thing wey me where I dey pray for, may you pick wetin about tell you. Who dey down bo way? No go get ya see on. You too dey carry person matter wey not concern you. You go carry ukoki, you go ripe am. Mona Sharon, you go ripe am, you go put for head. Just dey carry dey go. And now bat in time away, then you not tie. Wow, mono, yeah, where a door where agagwo mone no omonomera moje una abo ude nene e go pick for his side, put for his side brain. Why? Because emi no abo ude, you know, because omonomera meje ni ije bere nya abo ude nene wo o be ri ewugwe o ri ewugwe rere oge. All what here about tell you, pick for his side, put am for inside your brain. Pick am, you work by yes or by, because nowhere for inside I'll play on our listening. Where are bad for talk life for year? The time where they draw you, draw your head, draw your nyash, they go. I even talk and say, Sian. I even talk and say, Sian. Omona no ma onaya ge. On your mo. My sister, na my sister, na my blood sister, na my blood sister, na my blood sister. Only checkere words. Me na bati kai. Or when I woman guanyo ya guanyo. And it's truth. Everybody see her. Now you they use you, but they follow na my sister, na my sister. Because me I they do one kind thing. If I do for you, you not do for me. I they do for you. It's just like I go they call you. You know they call me. Forget that thing. It's meaning say I they disturb you. I know they call you again. Now so this matter be. When that thing happened, that period, if you in a more contract, when I quit my contract, no man say you know carry a reach like that. And if you never come out, all this small video where they see for sometimes when they will cut out, they see them. I say, what did they do this girl? You get sense, abi you not get. If you never come out one day, come tell her sister, because they say na her blood sister, say, see where you for wrong. See where you not for wrong. All what she they do, she go come out, beat Lolo today, beat her next tomorrow, beat her next tomorrow. They beat her every day. They bring it all a family picture. They bring her come out. Yeah, where on a normal way me. Now you go they find trouble. No matter how. The mother way born me, that time where I did small. Then she for tell me say, I will hear me man, even though say na me with my sister or my brother the quarrel, not enter his side. You fit talk put say it don't do mona settle. This one na your, this one na your. If they not agree settle, you forget. You know me say you go see am the next day. Utuwe, uje ya swear because of waiting. No, because he don't look for you. Why you go they look for her? You carry this your blood sister matter because now you say na your blood sister. You carry and you take her wrap pour your body. You enter inside. You take her bath. I first talk one video that one audio don't take the time where this thing they happen. I say this thing where you put for your head, so she not go do one for you. I don't fair talk can. Never she not go do one. Ogwalemi no ya fi we for abegbe. We agwalemi we ya lele. Na so, na the truth. People where they see, they see. Even when person tell me say the day where Ivie do a pikin birthday where he share am. Say a blood sister not even share am. Now I say na lie. How you go talk that thing? He say no, mama, go look and go see whether you see him. When I really go there, I not see him. Hell, ina wo boja la. Omo normal ona ge omo. That's why I talk for inside my mind. Na wo mo normal ona ge omo. Omo. If you any about it time away, pick am put for inside your brain. No go ge ya osioma. And he heard enere I'm way to kele, not put something rub your body. Or man know where now, mind do with me. You don't know whether they do something for now. If you say, okay, I know for now, do it for me. But when you go reach your tongue, or you can, you know, see break lights. You don't see break lights. No mudia he, na mudia he ya. Ya mudia homa. Bye wo. Or mudia homa. Bye wo. I go wait for you. It is an everybody where you say, I love you with all my heart. Now the same thing, now so they still love you back. No. Walk by now, I beg. Be warm it to me. My sister. You just say, as you they say, my sister. Oh, yeah, we're proud to be your name. Throw away. Now you know, this one when they tell you, this one is my opinion, because me, I get eye. And they take until they see. You know, say people will not get eye when they know they see. That one are their headache. Like you, now you know they see. Because I understand the little say, you define person by all means. Where you with and go, they me go together. Yeah, why make bo ma se no fivu. I make bo ma se no you fivu. Now the time they tell you say, for you to make friend with person, carry your pikin, who ya was say, finish, sipo as ABC. Carry your pikin, who ya was say, who you wear ya was say. Where na my brother, Ija. You just hear say, na my blood, na my blood. She's not proud that you are Otinyoki. When you're there, why you go say you be blood? You know, if it tells say you be blood now. Oh, we see I no yame ya take bebani. Is there your big for inside though? Waiting about tell you when you when now you know. Now you know. Because because of I will die because of you. Some people dey like that go say I will die because of you. Matter. When you go reach your turn, you know do the one, you know matter. I'm gonna die because of you and hammer. Who you mean? Why can you where even no choose you know. Now you choose and say you want die because of a matter. Or matter me. Or who you name. Or I saw where was here bunny. I know do one. My people more than listening. Because like me, I dey like me na person wey like better thing. I'm not like him on my making. If person talk something, even though say me with you the quarrel, I will say, wow, this is where this person talk. Or Ghana. Even the one where about even send go give Monica self. Wow, I'm not hurry about that. When you pick for his side, they make you understand. They say, even na bungbe, take action. Even though say he go throw words give you. Now see the video, now even share herself. I say, but thank you. Because when you make and we're going if I not do something, you say I don't. If I do and not talk, it want me nay. I just say I beg. Not be something like this, so something like this where they draw Monica up and down. So I mean especially where concern picking like me. Now make me still day say where I did. So say, show your face, show your face. I know one way to go touch my children. Because they be adults. Yeah, again, because I go in and I no fit talk that time. Because when people don't be adults, you no fit tell them what you go do. You understand? That make me still there. Then one day I will just say, may I bust out. Anybody will do anyhow, they'll see anyhow for my children body. If I just curse me direct. I they talk all the time. If I not do something, you put out for my body. Yeah, now about Monica. It's just that Monica don't fair, don't fair fuck up. You don't fair beat people. You don't fair draw people leg, draw their hand. Any voice no hen ya go. Because you don't fair still tell people say why are you DNA? So as they come they ask now, so yeti go. Na be the thing. Only about money. So my people, I play this thing for now. Mona listen. Mona still talk out. They na bat tana. Them at another As for me, 100% right. I pray. May if not come out, come they insult about say who send you. And more time away. And then all time out your naked and I still tell you. Now person will love you and I go tell you say, come, this your teeth, they wash and wear. Be like say they smell small. Who not like you, tell you. Oh, when I'm looking around, when you can gear, but na person will tell you, and I go tell you, say, okay, let me yage, I cannot be say, or yere. Mona listen.
Let me start with Ifinivi. Monica is going to be last. After Ifinivi, Eddie Murphy. After Eddie Murphy, Monica.
If you not the year, Monica.
That really be the engine of this crisis. Monica, you are the engine of this crisis. They are paying you your own coin now. But it's already robbing other people and disgracing us. That's why, if not, I would have allowed them bury you. Bury you with this social media. Because this is what you have been using to harass people.
Which is true, Which is true. I still understand which is true. About not talk like.
What will come last? My dear sister, Ifinivi, I want you to listen to me and listen carefully. I don't care to know. Okay, somebody say I should break it down. Ifinivi, I'm going to be speaking Pidgin and Bini language. Since they say we discuss ourselves, there are some things when I want to talk, I will use Bini. Maybe I go look for interpreter. That's why Yoruba they colonize us. That there are some music you listen to. You want to look for somebody when they understand Yoruba to interpret for you. That's what we are going to be doing to people that are non-Edos. If you, one thing that I have come to realize about Ivienivie is this. Ivienivie is somebody that Ivienivie is somebody that can be very, very reliable. Sometimes Ivienivie can be a very good friend, even to people planning her downfall. Ivienivie, today, I want you to take this message. The reason that I will not go too hard on you is because of what you just went through recently. People were praying for that crisis to consume your enemy, but you were very, very strong. You came out, you fought for yourself, you were the one majorly defending yourself. I was saying, if you leave here, it is time for you to slow down. But I can't defend us away. Don't go astray. Come out! Maybe I got Monica here again. Monica said, "Not my sister." You say Monica is your sister.
I tell you, yeah. He said Monica said no. Now if say Monica na sister. I tell you, yeah, because in your yata where or ten no, na my blood. Only just seen one way can we.
Oh, whether I tell you, I work here where you let a married man, you defeat. I don't know to watch on a video. I will have a little knowledge of what is happening. Yeah, Molo, we're here. I boy, Monica, you know when when Monica had defend the way, and Monica told your boy, matter way.
Which is true. I told again, man, not because say I hate Oma or like Oma. If you need your money, you be on my job. Or then, my when or my kind will nothing concern. You go carry and say, it don't tell you where you with that person they get a quarrel or make you not get misunderstanding. Go carry and like say, nah, a contract, you know. Everything we about the tomorrow they pick on now truth A to Z. Or matter again na.
Audio boy, now what my go your support you or my big and we're more big now. Or my big and we're more big now. I'm not trying to create problem between you guys.
No, you are saying the truth.
And you only tie away reach out to see how you can help the person pull out of the stress. Reach out. See if how you can mediate to say where on a muyoto.
Which Ivie never did. Again, Niya was here now home. She never say, Lolo, what really happened? She not do one. She dey fight for her sister. She never do one. She dey insult that one husband, pikin, brother, sister. I will the honey. No matter how, even though say na my blood sister. Na wake e akharakbag baladian. Never. I not go do one. Because again yako. I even talk on. I say na time they take play. 10 years, not between 10 days. You get the way when they take the talk put. If you carry on contracts on amu. I when your hair when your my hair for where omuhia.
You don't Latia over the or so been a new one. Where don't go and then we're responsible to everyone and where Monica at the time. Like in one man did here. In 1 minute, a bad day. This is Lacena water. And I sachet water. And I ever. This is Lacena. This is Lacena. Go and check. This is the best water we have in Nigeria. I go for the best. I mean, more. You can do it. This is Lacena water, the best spring water you have around. If you a matter where anyone you boy, there was a time I told them, my sister, be very careful. That way, be very careful. Reduce your friends. If you go back to the drawing board, you are not really a money person. Where we pet show, who we pet show, you are not even interested in the social media money. You are just, if he is an extremist, if he is with you, if he will overdo things. But if you're going forward, that was why, in a way, please, if there is anything you can do for you and Enoki to come back as friends. But come back as friends, and Marie Loyo, and you feel more. You people are too close. We are friends too many. And why people when you meet for abroad. And why not your best friends are still friends when know you when they wear pants. Your parents, your family. So anybody when you meet for social media, now says. That's why as they call me rich during that election, as they record me rich, nobody don't come and play audio, because if you call me, either we are discussing business or we are discussing politics, I know what to say and I know what not to say. If you please, when you are doing saga, I want to appeal to you. Don't lie. If no mama no buy your please. Ma bienene momo me momo. When the person not do if you, no matter how angry you are, ever be moyo. Ever be moyo. If you want now. There are some people that are not mature. They are so weak upstairs. The only way for them to defeat, they will defeat you in any media fight is to lie. Don't throw that line. The men in social media fights there, if you don't only don't fight, I have never done it. And I will never do it.
Which is very bad.
The time when me and John, they fall out, they come out for each other. Many people will call me when they don't like John, they will tell me things. I only said few that I know that I can prove. Tomorrow he knows. If you no matter the fights, or manner way we all that information were investigate it properly. I am appealing to you if you, because you overdo things. There are sometimes even Monica said they can't see words, but sometimes you overblow things. You know, they try manage the situation, make una not quarrel. But Eddie Murphy wanted you and Enoge to quarrel, and both of una come for put. It was painful. Because Eddie Murphy believed that his godson, and the Murphy was not happy that his godson was still talking to you. When Eddie Murphy went to Enoge's house, Eddie Murphy was looking for a way to disconnect you people. And we have people that always call into live shows. Our career. Our career. That's why my videos, I don't open my lives for people to call in. To say about, no, go and open your Facebook. Every platform to talk in. That's why I hardly open my life for, say, calling in the way speaker. That is the problem. That is always the problem. Who are now always show against Monica? Or normal like a Monica, we are more in India. And the mafia are no bad at the water. There are people that they enjoy lives. They enjoy lives. So I don't encourage people to open lives. Another talker, hello, a Francis Kewakore, or Saba Fiangwe, oh my name, Monica now, oh my God, they are the bad people. If you want to talk, you want to blast Monica, nobody will not get YouTube. YouTube, when you tell they watch me, on go live, you shall take blast Monica. If you want blast if you not be about a platform, not be sitting in a jar. Open your own platform. Take blast if you want blast at Romigo. Ask me and Romigo fight. There was never any time when I open my leg. Even when they do this Owusa community, they do the thing. When Romigo was always doing it, people don't even know me from anywhere. No, you're calling about Obaze do this one, about Obaze do this one. They were lying because they are weak. They can't. They don't do what we call intellectual fights. And then I tell you, we Tory, but I know Google and I may to your solo away. So if there's only things you said about Eddie Murphy, if you lie for those things, look for a way. Even if you don't apologize to a part for any other thing, apologize to a part Eddie Murphy because of those children. Their image does not deserve to be tainted. Please, they are young kids. But the Murphy are they play. They don't even know what he's saying. They don't know what he's doing. They don't know some of the children. They don't care. They don't know. So you should stop dragging the children in. What? Oh, who care? I tell what the Murphy or Makame. Your children not children with a baby. But don't bring his children in, no matter what. There are 1,001 things you can say about the Murphy or die. If those things are truth, which I doubt, the Murphy cannot sleep with his children. You should mind what you say. There is always a limit. No matter what are you proving?
The problem where they get, they not get limits. Then people go they clap for them, right down. But you walk la Diana. Now you wait talking, not be those people. You wait talking, that be the problem. Eh? And the maladia will know even no nya. No tea where she not they use a man till they talk. She go shook hand for that shook. Bani winere. No be a o matao in winere. Or he saw amamie no la dia. And when common sense she not get.
But maybe cannot want it their way. If you want win a Sagana, you may have to wear the American crown way. Now, if you don't like a way, now do one way, now Timoton way. Let me tell you why I stopped responding to Stainless. I was trying to clear my name. And I saw a comment. Somebody said, this saga, Albert is winning. Eh? I can't see watch another video. And I was saying, this saga, Stainless is winning. I said, so are we doing me? That was when I stopped. What is it? What would they grow they come that time? Now, weak person, that person that will fight you, then they fair coming to blow you. When they grow upon for school that time. You say, I will beat you now, You say, I don't want to fight, You go to push you, I will beat you now, You say, I don't want to fight. The next thing you walk out, our day. So we your faith. I was like, you're going to say, even person want to fight, you know, it's called school. Person want to fight you, you know, it's called school. And that time you say, our day. So sometimes if you quiet, you don't respond to person when they insult you. Now only coward will say, hey, you don't talk, you don't reply, like this mental patient they call Titi. And then I prophet attitude. That one is mentally sick. You can't see me say I do videos say that attitude and they respond to. Or maybe you are not feel I fear with it. You know this one get mental problem. I can't go low to his level say he will live video 10 minutes. People will get sense if you don't talk. And they will later call you say silence is the best answer given to a fool. The day when I will adopt that phrase, the day when I will start to use that phrase for our life, and that problem will reduce. If you know that you can do buying and selling with your platform, if you know that you can promote brands with your platform, if you know that you can set up, you can do a lot with your platform. Obama from all the questions I've asked Obama, but if you please. A mistake don't make a man. Don't make that mistake again. Take your time. La ne omodo. La ne biebamo. La very very pretty girl. There are some women in Naiwa. Don't let them push you. Before I got this video, I want to call me Abat, Lago, Monica Goan, a fan, Monica Wahin, Ekabogo. I entered the corner and I didn't know about why the problem. What?
Share you here. I will carry ya. Oh my way me done. They'll say me you not talk to her. Not talk to her. Divan. What's that nigga going? When you do bad, person will tell you. You take and you not take, person must tell you. Or I log or whenever where. Every time when nobody tell me. You know, yeah, I will carry ya.
You calling me? No, why the problem? But the Murphy, you only speaking to say, Monica Guan, La, work about Guan. You are the problem. Go and walk. Go and walk. Go and take care of your children. Go and take care of your husband. Enough here. Next time she will make that mistake to call me again. I can't work my live video. I call you. Why Jimmy? If you who wa disquire la? If you who bet the Murphy wa? If you who bononawa? If you keki, no get your party way. Well, if you don't know here. If you're keki, if you're whatever, look here, look at your answer. If 5 you are going to be really very fast, who know where business, who know where was your food, who know where doctor, who know where survey. So, else you are not going over or summer. So, they want to clap you to your early grave, to your early downfall. Let's all forgive you. Let's all offend and forgive. It's what I go along way. It's not where I get offended, but I'm offended. It's what I move up here. They take you quietly. So if all I am saying is, please calm down. Calm down. There is one lady in Canada, Nekme Opasoye. She's using her platform for the right thing. Nekme Opasoye is saga. 15 let them know you for one thing. You get 10 fans, but that say everybody they clap for you. Why so what Urieke? All the enemies they are and it was because of election. They don't move forward. They were not my personal fight. Who's going to present us now? Again, let's now feel begume. You know, Jimmy. keke park. O wa ka mi ele keke nurie. E wa drop you away ba.
Now so it reach my people. And you was say oh about it what I'm not about it all is true. If you got here because some of the videos still there for about wolf and I won't go watch them. I just pick this small one. Now so it reach. If you go take, if you go understand, if you go know the meaning, I pray no one. No ewe na dia ya o dia homa na kpo bole le ya okpo bole loma Sunday when you don't help and finish we agwa lo we umio we ada dem yo se o ye na watu asen fereti kele o han to your way na wo magwa no aba don't talk everything we about talk if you like they can do if you not like not they can do nobody business na your own Oma no like oma oha mama we akonwe na akpe si ori ere kere no ma like wo ya ge we bi ko we ze yo akono wia akon enwia o ya ge we hia eke na my blood sister me I tell you if person no be the same papa the same mama with me you are not my blood for me blood na brothers and sisters we are blood magade jeje mahin otemu we gbe mahin umwema ematema no makan where you go carry am put for head they carry they go it's very bad no magwalo we wagwale here it's very bad o ma tie bonwe when you wagu we gwane na wa arobi enwe wa be lade wa be the egum me back eri ege no to tage na that one I me no like what then they do if I curse you curse me if I not curse you not curse me. Don't be say you come out, you go bring the picture of mama, papa, especially children. Oh, now that one I can they pay me pass. They will carry children, they will cause children. Waiting not these children body, they'll say a day body. Only the message way. Nobody say on a message. If you before you they love other, first they love yourself. I want my Ibagbona. I want to belong. I want to be like that person. No. I too want about to type about. Or when you are a beautiful girl. And the amount of time. It's just that the character when you get. I pray. May God help you. It's very bad. Mama. Emere. Izabwa mweji. Wagebe no jor wife wa. Upushe. Mufua. Ejo na ya wotun eje no pa wotun o ma no ma ja we wotun wa zin we jo you I want to be you want to be no be yourself o mo mi ra mi je eni otun eni esagin we e ma no mi social media ama why go on social media go you fit talk to people wey dey for social media bet no be say you your ear matter because of say you don't say that person na your godfather or na your godmother. Because another person talk to her, you use and say, where you gbalegbu where? Who can send you message? That's what you they do for social media. You can't use everything to rob yourself. You not can't think say tomorrow, if that person with your godmother, your godfather, they can't be friend again, then where him away. You see? Sometimes if you they do something, the reason before you they do it. I don't know, maybe this one will they tell you so. You go enter this side, go come out for this side. If you like, come out, come insult me. Me, person like if you need VA, I will never reply you. I know why. Because me select him, if I say I want to reply person like you know why I say I don't reply you. Because I know what you they pass through. It's you know what you they pass through, and you need help. Sometimes what this way they do, not just to. I want to make myself today busy, to keep yourself busy. But it's not the right way. Then we be lolo say, "O might go to only one day." We fear, o say yara hinia. We fear, o tell me we why we wrong give on na go make buekere. You never do it. It's bad. That's why I talk my own reach my people. As I see the video, I just love and wait about talk. It's still there, another video still there. Una fit go watch am for them. Now this small side, and when you work with, because I really like what he talk. Owa wa say no, ganya mamudia kewe wo wesunu. Iya mudia kewe. The answer is no. One way ya jun wo baga reply. You see? Ebanya na iya we mi masunu dama, I no see oma. Emi I sunu da when something happen to you, now then you can know say okay, this one is really my own. Why this one is not my own? Why my picture a wa mukia happy birthday, come and celebrate. When you go reach your own, who go celebrate with you? No what your who where you know seeing for them. Can you imagine? So if you like you take she not go take. I know say she not go take. And your ogima matter, you know say ya wa there I agba o iwe gwe avie. Now we dey talk small. Otherwise, wetin come concern us? They not come one year that bon we here. Who cares? Abi? That's all. My people, I greet everybody. More like me share am. I know say many people don't still see the about video. I just say me I play am for people who never see am. Make them still, you know, make them still hear what about talk. So my brothers and sisters, I greet you now. More help me share am. If you like, you take. If you not like, not take. Or watch you. Wa awe kale kwa bani. Inwinere. Like say she not get work now. I go say na because of say she not dey work. Or me winner. Inwinere ojemu. Or me kena me winere say amufua. So wanegbe o se ne uja wanegbe. If you wanegbe o se ne gagbon me o wanegbe. Brother rien na tie. If you carry hon rien na tie. Ori ewu nori ave ko e. Wanegbe o if you uja wanegbe agbon me o. Una bye bye my people. One love, greetings. Mona go enjoy on Sunday. Una bye bye. Watch out.